Hi all, I'm Janathan. Now I'm sharing my presentation on improvement of adjusting footage in the timeline using the circular doubly linked list.
I took the application Adobe After Effects. Adobe After Effects is popular for creating visual effects, motion graphics, and composing applications developed by Adobe systems. This application used in the production process of filmmaking, video games, etc. And also, After Effects can be used for keying, tracking, composing, and animations. This application follows so many data structures. Like to insert a footage in layers, it follows the linked list data structure because we can insert or delete the footage at any position in layers. Or if we insert footages directly into the composition window, it follows the stack data structure. If we insert multiple footages at a time, in the timeline, it looks like a queue. In this case, we can see only the topmost clip in the timeline and the composition plays only the top one, and other clips do not make visible in the composition window. If we want to play all the clips one after one, we have to adjust all clips on our own. Well, the problem with the process is that you have to adjust all the footages one by one, which you insert in the timeline. While adjusting footages, we have a lot of patience and we have to spend more time for the better output. This is the problem so many editors are facing, including me. After adjusting the footages in the timeline on our own, it looked like this. My suggestion for this drawback is circular doubly linked list. By using this data structure to represent the timeline, it is possible to efficiently add, delete, and adjust the position of footage in timeline, which can greatly improve the process of editing. By using this data structure, if we add multiple footages at a time, it will arrange one by one automatically according to the duration of the footage. And also, this also helps when adding a new footage to the timeline. If we use the circular doubly linked list to find the appropriate location for the new footage. For example, in the first case, if the new footage is to be inserted between two existing pieces of footage, use the circular doubly linked list to navigate the node representing the first of two pieces of footage. Then insert the new footage after the first node using the insert function. Well, in second case, when adjusting the position of the footage in the timeline, we use the circular doubly linked list to navigate the node representing the footage and use delete function to remove it from the timeline. Then use the insert function to reinsert the footage at the desired location in the timeline. This feature is already available in KineMaster application, which is available on mobile. This is the comparison of before and after feature. Before implementing this idea, we have to do adjusting the footages according to the duration of footages by our own. But after implementing this, it will help us to save time while adjusting the footages. Thank you for watching.